Have you ever been in a situation where you try to start your car, but nothing happens? No engine sounds, no cranking noise, just silence. This frustrating scenario is known as a no crank, no start condition. In today's video, I'll walk you through the most common 9 causes of this issue and help you pinpoint what might be wrong with your vehicle. First is battery issues. If your battery doesn't have enough charge, it can't power the starter motor to turn over the engine. Here are some telltale signs. Hearing multiple clicking noises when you turn the key. Dashboard lights flicker or dim as you attempt to start the car. What to do? Try jump starting your vehicle. Inspect the battery connectors for corrosion, as this can block the flow of electricity. Second is faulty relays and fuses. Blown fuses or a faulty starter relay can also prevent your vehicle from starting. What to check? Look for blown fuses related to the starting system. Swap the starter relay with a similar one from your car to see if the problem resolves. If the car starts after the swap, you've identified the issue. Third is neutral or clutch safety switch problems. For vehicles with automatic transmissions, a neutral safety switch prevents the car from starting unless it's in park or neutral. Symptoms: dashboard lights and radio turn on, but the engine doesn't crank. Solution: try starting the car in neutral instead of park. Fourth is ignition switch malfunction. The ignition switch sends the electrical signal to the starter motor. If it's faulty, the signal won't reach the starter, and the engine won't crank. Fifth is faulty starter motor. The starter motor initiates the engine's rotation to get it running. Over time, it can fail due to worn brushes, a damaged solenoid, or other internal electrical issues. Sixth is malfunctioning anti-theft system. Modern vehicles often have an immobilizer system that prevents the engine from starting without the correct key code. Solution: use the correct key or reset the anti-theft system as per your vehicle's manual. Seventh is wiring issues or loose connections. Damaged wires, corroded connections, or loose terminals can disrupt the flow of electricity to the starter. Areas to inspect: battery terminals, starter terminals, ground wires. Eighth is seized engine. A seized engine caused by internal damage can also result in a no crank, no start condition. In this case, the starter motor won't be able to turn the engine over. Last is computer system issues. Though less common, a malfunction in the car's computers like the ECM or BCM can cause a no crank, no start problem. Faulty communication or incorrect signals can prevent the engine from starting. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.